Welcome back. We're doing this real quick because I have a flight to catch, and this is supposed to be on the flight with me, even though I don't think it's gonna get on the flight because the bag is overpacked. But I also don't have any memory, so I need to rush. Come on. Also try not to pop off my fingernails in the process. Oh, I feel them shifting. Oi, because some of these are press-ons. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is pretty. Hold on. I want to see if I can sneak this on the plane though. This is so pretty. I'm trying to get it out so I can show y'all. Oh, damn. And I just tore the freaking mold. That's why they say haste makes waste. Anyways, this is it. I'm just gonna order a new one. This is so pretty. This is not how I intended it to come out, but I love it. Love it. All right, I have something else that I want to unmold, but that might tear too, and I gotta go. So thank you so much for sitting through that. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.